I am mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on this Android app. And in this video I will evaluate whether this is the best crypto mining app or if there are better strategies. Do not start using this mining until you have watched this video until the end and see the exact calculations. I will leave you a direct link in the description right here below the video to get started with this app. You will land on the registration page where you can create your account and claim your welcome rewards by clicking here. If you are new to this platform, you might be asking, what is KuCoin? KuCoin is one of the top crypto platforms in the world with billions in daily trading volume and also in assets under management. They reached 40 million users already in April 2025 and it has been growing rapidly. KuCoin was founded already back in 2017 and I have been using it also since 2017. So I have a massive experience of KuCoin app. They provide all kinds of crypto products, including crypto trading right here. When you come here into more section, you will also find crypto savings. You will find automated trading bots and much more, including nowadays this cloud mining, also known as KuMining. And now, what is this KuMining all about? You asked in the comments if KuMining is worth it, which is the reason I'm creating this video, and it's also the reason why I'm showing you the results of my KuMining. So thank you for your comments. You notice here that KuMining is a cloud mining platform provided by KuCoin. When you come here into market and you click here for place order, you can choose how much mining power you want to buy. You can place the order here and then the mining starts here in the My Mining section. You don't need to have any specific equipment to start with this KuCoin mining, but you need to fund the mining with the upfront purchase and daily electricity costs. Now I will show you how to set up this KuCoin mining, but don't start before I show you the results because the results may shock you. The first thing here is to choose between BTC or DOGE and LTC mining. I will choose here BTC as an example, but you will see later that this one may actually be better in some situations. Here you can choose the amount. The minimum for light is only 0.25 cents more or less, as you can see on the screen. Here you can also choose Pro, where you can pick the mining period, anything from 7 days to 360 days. And then you can choose the hash rate right here. And you can see the price here on the bottom. Let's go back to the light because it's easier to set up. I will choose here 10 USDT for example purposes. Here I can choose the time frame. Let me choose 30 days as example. And here it shows me the estimated mining output. Then I click here next. Here it shows me the details, and notice that there are two different fees. There is the hash rate fee and the electricity fee. And then I can click here get started and you can see purchase was successful, and I can click here to view my order. It has not started yet, it takes some time, usually it starts the next day. But when I go back, I can show my mining. Here I can click for the details of my BTC mining. I can click for orders, and here I can see my current running orders. You can see a couple of different ones. Some of them are running for 7 days, some of them are running for 360 days, as you can see here. And when you click here, you are able to see the output, the hash rate. Here you can see output and the fees, and you can see it's not only generating BTC but also these other coins that it shows right here. If go back, you can see right here 360 days. This one will be mining for almost a year, and here are output and fees. It shows you how much or how little coins each day it has been mining. And notice that there are two types of fees. There is the hash rate fee, which is the upfront fee that you pay, and then also the daily electricity fee that it it deducts directly, as you can see here. So here, when you go back, you are able to analyze and calculate how good or how bad results your mining plans generate. If we go back, I go back again. Let me show you also this example of Doge and LTC mining. I click here for order, and here I have one example plan running. Here you can see output and fees, and this one is mining Doge and LTC every day. And the hash rate and electricity fee works the same way. Hash rate fee up front and then electricity fee daily. And here on the details you can see yesterday's output, total output, so how much it has been mining, and all the other details. Now let's go to the computer and I will show you an example calculation of some of these plans, and you will be able to decide if this is a good option or not. Just to show you first an example, here I'm on the KuCoin website on my computer, and if I click right here it says KuMining, and here I'm able to manage this in the same way as on the phone. You can see here on the left side KuMining, market, my mining and account, exactly the same ones that you can also manage on your phone. And here we can see the details that I also showed you on the phone. Here you can see details of each one, output and fees, everything is here the same way. Yesterday I was copy pasting my mining details so far into the calculator of Google AI and also into ChatGPT, and I will be able to show you the performance and the calculations right here. Here you can see performance summary table on the Google AI. I have here the 7-day plan, 15 days, 30 days, 360 days, and then also the Doge and LTC mining plan. Here it shows the total cost if we count the upfront hash rate fee and then also the daily electricity costs, and here it shows the net loss. So how much I will be losing if the BTC price and all the other variables stay the same. You can see here the return on investment is minus 30%. Keep in mind that this calculation doesn't count those extra small coins that the BTC mining gives, but I think it's unlikely that it would flip the results into positive. You can see that the return on investment is roughly the same for all of these different plans, roughly minus 30%. For these three plans, I put 100 USDT plus the electricity costs. So you can see the total what I'm expected to receive is less than the upfront fee of 100 USDT. If we scroll down, you notice here that the Doge and LTC plan seems to be slightly positive. And that's why I told you earlier that this may be better in some scenarios than the BTC plan. Another thing worth mentioning is that BTC price dropped after I started mining, so it obviously affects the results. The more the BTC price drops during the mining, the heavier it will be on the negative. But even on the original BTC prices, the BTC plans were at best break even instead of on the plus, so they were not heavily on positive. I also double checked the results with the ChatGPT calculator and it came up with the same results. You can see here, for example, 7 days, total loss of 40 USDT lost, and you can see it's the same right here. For the next plan also same result right here. So I have double checked these calculations a couple of times. Now the main way how these plans would turn positive is if BTC would start going higher. But then again arises the question, why would you get mining plans instead of just getting Bitcoin directly? And that is in fact a better alternative in my opinion. As you see, these mining results are absolutely brutal, which is the reason why I don't think it's worth it. But I like to test these things to show you the results so you know better and you don't need to spend your money on these things. And getting Bitcoin directly seems to be great for several reasons, because Bitcoin 200-week moving average has consistently been going higher. You can see it's the purple line right here. And the best time to get Bitcoin has historically been when the price is close or below 200-week moving average. For example, here was the bottom, here, and now it seems that we are pretty close to the 200-week moving average. So I think getting Bitcoin directly is a great idea. And here on the KuCoin app, there are two great ways to get more Bitcoin. You go back from the mining to the home page, and here on the middle it says trade. This is the manual spot trading. I will show you an automated way also in a moment. You can simply choose here market order. You can choose here the BTC pair. You simply scroll this one to the right, click here buy BTC, and that's how it's done. That's how you get more BTC. You can also go for home. You click here for more, then you click for trade. You click for trading bots. Here you will scroll all the way to the right, you will see DCA, and here you can set up this bot even with the minimum of 1 USDT. You can simply click here OK, you can verify the details, click here create, click here confirm, and success, the bot is up and running for you. This is, in my personal opinion, a much better option than KuCoin mining. And now my friend, if you want to learn more on KuCoin trading bots and much more, I invite you personally to come to my KuCoin playlist. You will simply take one of your fingers right now, click right here in the corner, and learn to use KuCoin right now.